Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Did you know that if you speak English, you already know some Yiddish as well? That's right, Yiddish has been influential in English to the point where words you might hear every day in English are actually of Yiddish origin. Today we'll be taking a look at those words and clarifying the meaning. The first word is babkas. Babkas. This means nothing, or at least the minimum amount. For example, you might hear it being used like, she gave babkas for the fundraiser. The next word is chutzpah, which is pronounced chutzpah in my Yiddish dialect. Or you might hear it also being said as chutzpah for English speakers who can't say the ch sound. This word means brazen, insolent, or self-righteous. I can't believe she spoke to me like that. What a chutzpah. Little fun fact, in Yiddish we have a word deriving from chutzpah, which is chitzpaniak, a person who has chutzpah. He is such a chitzpaniak. Perhaps the most well-known is glitch. In English this is used to mean a minor malfunction. For example, this app is having a glitch right now. But it comes from the Yiddish word glitch, meaning slip. For example, it could be used in the sentence as glitcht zich aus auf een glitschige Eis. He is slipping on the slippery ice. Klotz. Klotz. This Yiddish English word means a clumsy person. For example, that boy drops things all the time. He's such a klotz. A Megillah. A Megillah. A never-ending story. This word comes from the religious scrolls called Megillot, which are read on specific Jewish holidays, such as Megillat Esther, the Scroll of Esther, which is read on Purim. Since these scrolls are typically long and have stories in them, it began being used in this way. She was babbling to me about her life story. She gave me the whole Megillah. Bagel. Bagel. Bagels aren't associated with Jews for no reason. The English word for it actually originates from Yiddish. The Yiddish word is bagel, and this food gained popularity in the 19th century when Jewish Polish immigrants began selling them in the Lower East Side Manhattan. In a sentence, bagels are often eaten with cream cheese and lox. Number 7, kvetch. Kvetch. To constantly complain. In a sentence, this could sound like, be happy for what you have and stop kvetching. Zaftig. Zaftig. This word can be used in English as well to describe a fuller-figured woman in an attractive way. It's derived from the Yiddish word zaftig, which means juicy. The bride was a zaftig woman. Up a 9, we have schnurrer. This means a beggar. For example, she brings her own lunch, but she still goes around begging everyone else for their food like a schnurrer. To nash. To nash. To snack. For example, I like to nash on some food while I watch a movie. In Yiddish, this is used in the same way or as a noun, a nash, meaning a snack, chip, or candy. To schlep, to drag. For example, can you come here and help me schlep these heavy boxes? Schmooze. Schmooze. This cute word means to chat. They're just schmoozing about the weather. That's it for today! Which one of these surprised you the most? Do you know any more Yiddish words used in English? Write it in the comments. Tak voor die dag, lihitraot, tschüss, and auf Wiedersehen!